You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Kia Telluride. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this striking and capable Telluride. This 3-row SUV is designed to facilitate your off-road adventures with available all-wheel drive, significant ground clearance, and precise steering. Impressive power and head-turning good looks captivate, while a host of standard features keeps passengers comfortable, safe, and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, hands-free liftgate, satellite radio, power passenger seat. Give your family the advantages they deserve when you bring home this handsome Telluride. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.